Good afternoon. Today, I will demonstrate on how to set up a vacuum filtration set. So what you will need is your flask, your Buckner funnel, a clamp to hold the flask and the Buckner funnel, and the hose to which the water aspirator will be attached. Now, the good thing about this is that this flask and this Buckner funnel is already fitted. So I only need to place it like this, and it's already free from any form of bubbles. And I will only need to place this here to keep the Buckner funnel and the flask secure. Now I will only attach this hose here. I should make sure that the hose is very well placed in this spout of the Buckner funnel, such that when I vacuum filter, this this hose will not escape. No? So basically, this is the basic setup of a vacuum filtration, and I only need to connect this to a water aspirator. Good day! Today I will be showing you how to set up a sample extraction set. So of course you will need an iron stand, a container to put the extracted solvent, a clamp, and a separatory funnel. Now what you will do is you would place your clamp, fasten it into this iron stand at a level which is comfortable to you when you are extracting. So we ought to put it here. So let's say that at this level, it's already alright. And this is on the ground level. Okay, make sure that the clamp is secure. And then we put now our separatory funnel. Notice that you must put the stop clamp right here. Put it gently. The stop cock must be in front of you because you will extract. And then slowly fasten it by closing the clamp. Make sure that it's not too tight or the separatory funnel might break. Now we put our desired container right here at the bottom of our flask. Now if your container is larger than this, you may want to take it off at this level, but if it's smaller like this, we may want to lower it before the end of the separatory funnel touches the rim of the receiving flask. Let's just tighten this a bit. And there you go. This is your sample extraction setup. Good day. This time I will be showing you how to set up a distillation set. Now I have here already my iron stand with my clamp at the level that I want it to be. And I have here my receiving flasks, my tripod with wire gauze, my condenser, my Virgo condenser, the speaker, my thermometer, and of course my clamps, my safety clamps. And to hold them together I have here some cable ties. And of course, the hose where the water inlet and outlet will be. First, I will set up my condenser at this desired level, at my desired level. The one with the tapered end is pointing down, while this one with the wider mouth here is here at the top. Attach my Virgo condenser. Right, rather, I will first start with my distilling flask. Place it here, and then with my Virgo condenser. Parts. Now that we have here our part where the liquid will be evaporated, now let's set up this other part where the distillate will be collected. Now we have here this arm. This will go here into this. Please remember rather that the water inlets and water outlets should not be in this. Here. And here. Now it's full. Now put it here. Okay. There we go. And now this is our distillation column. Now that's left is the thermometer. It should be placed right here. It should be placed up around this height. Next is the water inlet and water outlet. Now here. Okay, so after placing some incisions in my hoses, I am now able to insert my hoses. So this is now my complete distillation set. If I want to safely secure my hoses, I can put cable ties here. Is my complete distilling set. I hope that you have learned something and thank you. Good day. Now in this video, I will be showing you how to set up a sample recrystallization. So we have here basically our filtration setup with some other excess apparatuses. So let's do that. A word of warning, I'm doing this without gloves because this is just a setting up of an assembly of a setup, but please wear gloves. Okay. Now of course, first we're going to set up the filtration set. So again, fitted Buckner funnel into my receiving class right here, clamp it, and then hose right here. Now this is now good for the vacuum filtration. Now for the other parts of the recrystallization setup, I have here a tripod with a water bottle, and of course my lamp. I have here my 4 sample makeshift test tubes where we can test solubility. This is the flask where we will add the crystals and then our chosen solvent, and of course what is a recrystallization without a weighing scale to determine which amount of the crushed material is pure. Of course, we also have our graduated cylinder. Basically, this is what you will need for a recrystallization. You may want to add some 1 or 2 other gas containers. And basically, what you need is the filtration, the heating for your solvent and solute mixture, the test for solubility, and of course, the glassware and the weighing scale. That is it. Thank you and have a nice day.